Hey everyone, so I got a Craftsman Z560 little Briggs and Stratton motor, and I've been having a bunch of issues with this. And the issues I've been having, I can't get the electric clutch to start. What that means is that the blades won't turn. So I've been having I found a workaround for it, and I've been messing around with it. I've been trying to like look at wires and stuff and see what's going on, but I can't, I just couldn't figure it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like the problem this is having. So I'll turn it on. And then I'll pull this up, and what'll happen is nothing will happen. But I found a workaround. I want to show you guys what I did, and then I'm gonna show you like how I'm gonna fix this. So for some reason, whenever I jump this, turn it off, turn it back on real quick while it's still running, it kicks on. It sends some kind of signal. So I did a lot of research, and I kind of messed around with a bunch of stuff. I ordered a new, first I ordered this, and it was like 15 bucks. I replaced it, didn't do anything. I put the old one back. Then I replaced this guy. I actually kept the new one in here because I just didn't feel like changing the old one back out, but this didn't fix it. I took everything off, and I'm going to show you guys like what I found. So I found this guy. There's like it's a relay, and here's the information right there. Well, there's a crack in it. So something happened here, and it cracked. And like whenever I turn this on, you can see that switch right there engaging and moving. So this needs to be replaced. So I ordered one of these, and it came in today. I ordered two just in case. It came in today. It was on eBay. I couldn't find it on Amazon or anywhere else, so I got it on eBay. It came from China, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace this real quick, and then we're gonna see if it fixes the problem. All right. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. It looks like they're made by the same company and everything, so it's. My thing is, I think that there's something like piece of debris that got in here, because I hooked my air compressor up on this thing and blew it out, and it started working for a little bit, and then it started doing the issue again. So I think that there's something in there that's causing an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this, and then we're gonna try it real quick. All right, so I got the new one in. I haven't taped it up yet. I'm just gonna kind of like leave it as is, and then we'll put tape on it if we need to. This was taped up before, and it was taped up to this wire bundle, so kind of like this. Let's go ahead and put this back together real quick, and then we'll turn it on and see if it works. That's awesome. So yeah, it turned out to be this relay. And the really shitty thing about this is I did a lot of research, and you can't order this from MTD. And the MTDs who they make Craftsman, and it's not anywhere in their parts diagram. I couldn't find an electrical wiring diagram or anything. I just kind of had to figure out this on my own. And I did a lot of wire chasing. I actually unhooked my clutch and hooked a battery up directly to it just to see if I can hear the clicking. And that's pretty easy to do. There's a little under here. It's hard to see, but there's this guy right here that I'm touching. You unhook that, hook a wire up to it, or a battery up to it, and then you can check. If you hear a clicking noise, then your clutch is probably good. At least it's working. It's not not engaging. It's not stuck. So I didn't want to order a clutch because they're like, I don't know, $150 to $300, and I don't want to spend that money if I don't have to. Now I ordered these switches and stuff because these were really easy fixes or changing. This was $15, and I think this was like $10, and those were both on Amazon, really easy to find. And they got here in 2 days, and I was able to find out right away that wasn't that. So then I went ahead and ordered that relay. Relay was I think $5, and like $5 to ship it. So I ordered two just in case. I throw that with my extra switch, and I got an extra switch up here, and then I have this, and then I have a little box around here. This is where my key's at, so my key with my old ignition switch. I'm gonna keep that around too in case something happens. I love this mower. Like this is my favorite mower. I use this for really tearing up some stuff, and I'm gonna use it later today. Anyways, I hope this video helps somebody. If you're having a similar issue, and if you can like jerry rig it up to work the way I did, it'll work for a little while. You just got to keep doing it over and over and over, and eventually it'll work. And then like whenever I have issues where sometimes I'll just turn it off to like get off the mower to go pick up a stick or something, it won't turn back on. What you have to do is you have to basically unhook that relay, shake it around a little bit, and then plug it back in, and it'll start working again. You can jerry rig it up again to work. Anyways, if this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And anyways, thanks for watching.